How are you?
Hi, Joe. How's it going?
Good. How are you?
Very good. This is Joe. It's Joe Bott.
Yep.
Joe Bott from the Hanover. And thank you so much for coming over and speaking with me. I really appreciate it.
No problem.
We really appreciate your sponsorship, of course. It's with the sponsorships that we can honestly continue to produce a great event, to produce a premier event, to keep growing every year, and to keep the registration fees low. I mean, that's one of the. And so we do appreciate that, and thank you.
We're glad we can do it. We're glad we can do it.
Good. What's new with the Hanover? What's going on? What are you looking forward to in 2011?
A lot going on. Personal lines, we're rolling out new product launches with our Total Household Rewards, our accident forgiveness, new car replacement card. Looking to write the total account, to be a total account writer. Commercial lines, specialty, middle market. Our commercial lines department has just added, I want to say, 26 new lines of product to offer our agents. So we're looking for 2011 to be a very good year as far as growth and retention, to keep the business that we have. So a lot of things going on.
Good. Very important. Are you appointing new agents?
We're looking for the right agents. No longer just appoint just a PL or a CL agent. If we're going to appoint an agent, we want it to be, we call it the franchise. We want to be able to appoint both personal lines and commercial lines. So yes, we are, but it's just finding that right fit is going to be a goal or a challenge, depending on how you look at it. Okay.
Well, those are, sometimes goals and challenges are right in line with one another.
Yeah.
So good. Actually, you folks have sponsored a couple of important things that go on at the event.
We're actually sponsoring a CSR class today at 2:30 and tomorrow by Sheldon Snodgrass. It's selling. It's basically selling value over price. I think a lot of carriers, especially us in particular, want to get out there that's more than just the lowest price. It's the value that's there. So Sheldon's class is going to help the CSRs get over that, selling the lowest price. Not to, to talk bad about anyone, but there's commercials on TV that says I can save you 15% in 15 minutes, or name your own price. It's more than just price. There's coverages, there's value in the coverage as well. So that's what Sheldon's going to help with CSRs to do today and tomorrow.
And that it's so important as we've been, talking with agencies and going out to agencies and going to 5 stars and really talking with agents. The role has changed so much for the CSR, and it's changed from a service-only position. And I know you folks who are watching know this. Changed from a service-only position to a sales position.
I think carriers, not just Hanover, but carriers now, we don't call them customer service reps anymore. We call them customer sales reps. And it's been, I've been in the industry for 15 years, came from underwriting, and our agents gave excellent service. They always did, but now the roles have changed a little, and they have to sell now. You still have to give the good service, but you got to be able to get back to Sheldon's class, sell. Upsell, cross-sell, why don't we write the home, why don't we write the auto? So if anyone's life has changed in the last 3 years, it's been the CSRs, without a doubt.
Yep, I mean, and that's so true, and you see it, and it is a little bit of a difficult hurdle to get over. And I find it even myself having to jump into that role a little bit, in my role in the #1 agency, but it's what you got to do.
Yeah.
And it is and as much as it's a little bit difficult, it's also a value service.
Yes, you feel. I think we try to tell when we're myself and my fellow TSMs is you are offering a valuable service now. You're offering advice. You're offering coverages. Did you know that you can have identity theft at this, or personal injury, or just the little things, and you got to know what your customer wants or needs by asking the questions. So it is challenging, but I think in a good way. Are
you an on-the-road person?
Yes, I'm a TSM. I handle our home office is in Worcester, but I handle the Western Mass territory.
Okay.
So basically, Sturbridge out to the Berkshires, and I have three other coworkers that handle Central Mass, North Shore, and South Shore. So we cover the whole state, the 4 of us. And we're sharing duties in the booth today and tomorrow. And our commercial lines counterparts just got here as well. So there'll be a bunch of Hanover people walking around in at our booth.
Okay, great. Will we see you at the reception tonight?
Yes, you will.
Okay.
I'm here for the duration.
Well, good. Well, I appreciate it. Now, you know what? it's not a trade show without booth giveaways, raffle prizes, and the whole rest of it.
The trinkets, what do we have for our trinkets? It seems like every year we add more and more. We got calculators, we got refrigerator magnets, we got tape measures with lights, we got ads. I mean, the trinkets are the trade show. But the thing I like about coming here is you get to see agents, but you also get to see, we're all competitors, the commerces, the safeties, the others, but you get to see your fellow workers, and you get to talk in a friendly environment, get to know what's going on out in the industry, and you get to see all your agents. So personally, I like coming to Friday and Saturday, especially Saturday. We call it CSR Saturday, where all the CSRs come in, and you get to see them more on a social basis rather than a business basis. So it works out really well. That's what I love about the trade show.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I appreciate it.
No problem.
Thanks for doing this with us, and have a great show.
Thank you. You too.
All right.
Thank you.
Thanks.